welcome to our show. Today we are going to make
another version of the Czech cream rolls.
Yay! Yes, these are so yummy. And today we are going to make a variation from some of my students at school actually gave me this idea, lemon meringue. And I just want to do a shout out to my students. And if you want to see your names on our channel, you can just look in the comments section. Thanks for this amazing idea for the recipe.
Let's get cooking.
Yeah, woohoo!
These are the ingredients for the dough. We have our flour, our butter, salt, cream, and vinegar. Oh, and egg.
Yes, and then for the lemon curd, we've got lemons and egg yolks, cornstarch and sugar, and then the meringue takes eggs and sugar as well. And this is our dough. It's a little bit drier than we've made in other cream rolls because we are going to laminate the dough, which means
we're going to be sticking butter inside the dough and folding it over and making it nice and flaky.
Yes, so this is the first like butter sandwich. We're putting butter in there. And we're going to fold this over just like this. And we'll roll it out, and that smashes the butter out between the layers. And then we'll keep folding and rolling and folding and rolling until we literally have hundreds of layers of alternating butter and dough. So this is our second fold, I think. And
we're making sure not to let the butter escape.
Yes, and we're refrigerating in between so it doesn't get too soft either. And you can see it's already kind of getting a little flaky there. So we'll just keep doing this about 6 times, and now
we're cutting it and rolling.
Yeah, we just cut and roll, and it works out just like a non-laminated dough.
And we're doing our egg wash because it helps.
It just makes it shiny.
Yeah.
Nice. And look at all those layers. This is a flaky dough. This turned out really well.
Yay!
Now, filling time. We're making the lemon curd. So this is lemon zest.
It takes lemon juice too?
Yep, same lemons. So we zested it, and now we're taking the juice out. And it takes egg yolks.
So, I think this trick is really cool, using the bottle to squeeze it out.
Look at that. Just suck the egg yolk right out.
Really cool.
And so this is for the curd. We have zest and sugar and butter. And there go the egg yolks. Boom, boom.
Whoop.
Lovely color. Makes everything yellow as it goes in there. And there's the juice.
The juice.
And I thought the zest was a little too noticeable, so we decided to puree it a little bit so that we're pureeing it. And then it goes to the stove to thicken.
With a double boiler so it can help thicken.
And then we cooled it, and it got nice and thick. Look at that. Do not do this. Don't make it runny again. And this is our meringue. Oh, look at that. That is amazing.
We piped the meringue in one side and then put the curd in the middle.
Yep, and then piped more meringue on the other side to kind of sandwich that lemon in the middle. And this looks so good.
It's amazing.
It was really good.
Here's our taste testers.
Yes, taste tester A and B. I mean, Leah and Noah. And I did tell them they need to get to the lemon in the middle. They need to taste all of the flavors. So they're working on getting to the lemon in the middle. And no one looked excited until just about now. What's going on?
That was very interesting.
Yeah, you know what? I love this, but I really love lemon meringue.
Yeah.
So we have some tips if you want to make this at home. What's our first tip?
Use fresh lemons. If you want that really lemony flavor, use the fresh lemons.
Yes, and then the other tip is, this was my mistake, is once you set the lemon curd, so you refrigerate it so it gets set, do not stir it. That's a big no-no because it's not going to set again and it'll just be runny. And no one wants a runny lemon meringue cream roll. So yeah, that's really it. And hope you enjoyed this show. If you did,
please consider subscribing.
Yes, and until next time, Dobru chuť. You get to start.